Welcome back, guys. Today we will be playing Doors, the most horror game. Okay, do not need this. Press any button. Let's try to. Oh my god, that guy just stole my spot. Alright, do not. Boing. I wish I can see ambush. Look at me. I'm so goofy. Ambush! Please, let me see ambush. Ambush is at door 13, right? Ambush is at door 13. I know ambush is at door 13. This kinda creeps me out sometimes. This game kinda creeps me out sometimes. So yeah, I might be jumping around my room if I get jump scared by the thingy. The thingy that goes in the dark and just jump scares you. Screech, I think that's his name. Screech. I jump scare so bad. I got jump scare. The side. Ooh, the lightning kinda scared me. Right? This is good. Okay, processing. Okay, get out before Screech get us. Right, not there. Right, door 15. Let me in, please. I'm lagging. Let me in, please. Right? The K. No lights flickered. Okay, nothing. Nothing. Okay. No drawers. Nothing flickered. Up. Hold on. I kinda suck at this. Oh. Where is the... Okay. Oh, why am I crouching? Okay. It's right here. Oh. Bro, I suck at this, like... Okay, you're gonna go here, sir, and you're going there, and you're going right here. Yes, door 20. Get in. Right? It's not ambush. Okay. We're good. Yo, let me in. Let me in. Okay, I thought I heard something, but no. Oop, not that door. It's this door, okay? Door 26. Getting close to 6. Oh, shoot. I'm so bad at this. Oh, no. I might... Alright, it's not ambush. Good, good, good. Okay. Alright, I thought something flickered. Okay, now something flickered. Not these eyes. Bro, these eyes are so creepy. Okay, time for the chase, guys. If I die, it's okay. It's okay. It's my fault. Because I'm bad. If I die, it's my fault because I'm bad. Oh god. GG's. GG's. GG's, guys. GG's. GG's, guys. GG's. Okay, so yeah, bye. I'm going to post this video with no edit. So yeah.